Huh? I'm recording. Hey, what are you guys doing here? I don't think you guys were like actually watching the videos, but okay. Actually, I actually don't know if you guys were actually watching. So you guys came here to get some content. I'm gonna show you some content. Let's get right into it. Just make sure to like and subscribe, by the way, because like most of you don't like and subscribe. If we get to 10 subscribers, I'ma touch grass. Yes, I'm touching grass. So subscribe and I'll touch grass. Why do you guys watch me? Why? Oof. Bro, that was... My settings ain't that good, bro. Bro, actually tried. But I won't get him. Playing game. Oh my god! Oh, don't try me. Oh, very smart idea. I'm gonna get my revenge. I know what I'm doing.
We've taken the lead.
Bro, so bad at the game.
Contact! UAV spotted.
Okay, now.
Put it properly. Give me the remote.
Yeah.
Enemy contact! Laser deployed.
I'm gonna get my revenge. Sooner or later.
Hunter killer drone deployed.
That guy's blind, are you? Told you. I'm gonna get my revenge.
Sniper!
one.
Kaya pa dyan, mas yung pipit.
We've taken the lead. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Friendly Shock RC is coming. We're almost there. Keep it up. Tango down. Contact
Got
with
my
enemy.
flippin' revenge. Monkeys. Oh, this was actually like gold. It was golden. Let's go. This was probably like the most best round I've ever had. I'm gonna post another video after this. Like, it's gonna be like when this one's gonna be uploaded. I'm already gonna be cooking with another one. Look at this. Now look at this. And